Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Chameli Devi Institute of Pharmacy Indore. So today I am here again with a topic pharmaceutical powder part 3, which contain method of mixing of powder. So when we dispense or prepared powder dosage form, so there is requirement of mixing of API, active pharmaceutical ingredient, with other additives. So in this presentation I am going to discuss different method of mixing for powder dosage form. So let's start it. Now what are the method of mixing of powder? So these methods are following. On small scale mixing or in laboratory mixing, we used spatulation and trituration, and industrial scale mixing, the mixing involved in industries is so the method is tumbling and sifting. So for the mixing, the equipment used is called mixer. So mixer having some ideal property should have, that is, produce a completely blend rapidly to avoid produce damage. So mixture is capable to produce a complete blend or complete blending of powder rapidly and to avoid product damage. And the next is, it should be cleaned and discharged easily. So mixtures should be cleaned, neat and cleaned, and after the mixing the material should be discharged easily. Ideal mixture should be dust free or dust tight. And the last one is, mixture require low maintenance and low power consumption. Now the first method of mixing is spatulation. So this method is used in laboratory level or laboratory scale or small scale. So in this method, mixing of powder is done by the movement of a spatula on tile or paper used sometime for a small quantity, or when the mortar and pestle technique is undesirable. So mixing of powder is done by the movement of a spatula throughout the powder on a sheet of a paper or on a porcelain tile. This method is not suitable for large quantity of powder or for powders containing one or more potent substance, because homogeneous blending may not occur in this method. So the method where is useful is small amount of powder. So a small amount of powder can be used by this spatulation method of mixing. Solid substances then liquefy or form eutectic mixture. So we can mix this type of powder by using a spatulation in closed container. So the next method is trituration. Trituration is the process which is used by pharmacists. Most generally employ the mortar pestle and used for small scale mixing. So it is used for both to reduce the particle size as well as mix the powder. So if particle size reduction is desired along with mixing of powder, so this method can use. And the mortar and pestle method is a single operation, thus it is particularly useful where some degree of particle size reduction as well as mixing is required in this case of mixture of crystalline material. So the advantages of this method, it is also apart from mixing, it is facilitate to size reduction of particle. Now the next process is geometric dilution. So geometric dilution is used when potent substances are mixed. So the method is used when potent substances are to mixed with large amount or large quantity of diluent. So in this process, the potent drug is placed upon an approximately equal volume of diluent in a mortar pestle, and the substance are slightly mixed by trituration. And after trituration, Then second portion of diluent in the volume of the powder mixture in the mortar is added and trituration is repeated. So the process is continued, adding diluent equal in volume to the mixture in the mortar at each step until all the diluent is incorporated. So to understand the geometric dilution, we take an example. So for example, if 100 mg of potent drug is required to be mixed with 900 mg of lactose. So in the process of geometric dilution, firstly we weigh the 100 mg of potent drug and add 100 mg of lactose in pestle mortar and triturate. So the total amount of mixture became 200 mg. Then the mixture of 200 mg in pestle mortar, so further add 200 mg of lactose and then triturate and mix well. So the mixture become 400 mg. So the 400 mg mixture, again further 400 mg lactose is added into pestle mortar and mixed with trituration. So after properly mixing, the mixture becomes 800 mg. So the 800 mg mixture and the remaining portion of lactose is added into pestle mortar and then mix. So completely mixing of 100 mg potent drug with 900 mg of lactose is done, and the complete mixture is 1000 mg. So 100 mg drug plus 900 mg lactose, the total mixture becomes 1000 mg or 1 gram. Now the next method is sifting. So the powder are mixed by passing through sifters. This process results in light fluffy product and generally not used for potent drugs in a diluent base. So this method is used in industrial scale and especially used for the fluffy product. So this is the image of sifter. And the last method is tumbling. So tumbling is the process of mixing powders in a large container, and the tumbling machine is rotated by electric motor. So this type of blender are widely used in industry as large volume of powder mixture. So that in tumbling, blades are used to mix the powder, and this method is used in industrial scale for large quantity of powder. Thank you.